Imagine walking into a medieval courtroom not to see a human defendant, but a pig on trial for murder. Yes, in medieval Europe, animals were actually put on trial, facing the same judicial procedures as humans. Pigs, for instance, were often charged with crimes like killing children, and they were given a full legal defense, complete with appointed lawyers to argue their case. This bizarre practice was surprisingly common and rooted in a legal system that believed animals could exhibit free will and malice. These trials were not just for show, they were serious proceedings. If found guilty, the animal could be sentenced to death, often by hanging or burning at the stake, punishments identical to those meted out to human criminals. The logic was simple yet strange: if an animal committed a crime, it was to be punished to maintain social order and serve as a deterrent. In some cases, animals were even dressed in human clothing to appear in court, underscoring the surreal nature of these trials. But it wasn't just pigs that faced medieval justice. Rats, insects, and even locusts found themselves in legal hot water. In one famous case, a swarm of locusts was summoned to court for destroying crops. When they did not appear, they were excommunicated. The idea was to assert human authority over nature and, perhaps, to seek divine intervention to rid the pests. These trials reflected a time when supernatural explanations were often sought for natural events, blending law with elements of theater and religion. While it might seem like medieval madness, these trials reveal a lot about the era's complex relationship with animals and justice. They highlight a world where the boundaries between the human and natural realms were blurred, and where the quest for order sometimes led to the most extraordinary courtroom dramas. It's a reminder that history is filled with moments that challenge our understanding of logic and justice, leaving us both bewildered and fascinated by the past.